Hi everyone, it's Dr. Brad Meyer from Stephen F. Austin State University, where I'm the Associate Professor of Percussion. My next helpful tip for all the etudes is going to be to make sure that we're counting the rests that are marked. Now, a lot of times the timpani etude is going to have long stretches of rest. Sometimes the snare drum solo or mallet solo might have a small amount of rest, but either way, we want to make sure we're counting those. So especially the timpani etudes, we're having these 3, 4, 5, 6 bar long rests, and it's really easy for young students to just kind of think of these as moments where we just maybe do a tuning change or we just kind of move on to the next section of the solo. But really what we want to do is, because like we talked about earlier, we're practicing with the metronome, is we want to practice doing whatever we're going to be doing when we perform the etude during those rests. So especially when it comes to timpani, we're probably going to have some tuning changes. So making sure that we're counting through those tuning changes. Now a great way to do that is to literally count out loud when we're resting. So if I have 4 bars of 2-4 rest, I'm going to go 1 and 2 and 2 and 2 and so on while I'm doing my tuning changes. And what that's going to help me do is, as I practice counting out loud, it's going to help that muscle memory kind of internally, so that when I stop counting, I'm still thinking in my head those counts without actually saying them out loud. Because obviously for the audition, for performances, we don't want to count out loud, but we want to have it in our head as clear as possible, those rests, because a lot of judges are going to be sitting there kind of tapping their chest or clicking along with you during those rests to see if you're coming out in time. And so make sure that we don't think of rests as just kind of a throwaway, get restarted kind of moment in our practice session, but actually as a vital, integral part of the piece that we're playing. I hope that helps, and best of luck on your audition.